Red Bull and Jimny. So cool. And the petrol station. So this is how it looks inside of Jimny. If you're interested, little bit, check this out, the speedometer, air condition over here, even radio. This is the gear stick. Yeah. Super cool, right? I always wanted to have a Jimny, you know. Yeah. So this is the monkey on the motorbike. I hope so she's not gonna jump on me. Check this out. However, this is my ride. This is the Katana Jimny, 1990s. Actually, I think it's 1989, but the registration have some complicated to read for me. I will quickly show you. I just have to be careful of the monkey. How it looks the car. So this is the small wee Jeep. It's called Suzuki Jimny Katana. In some countries it's also Samurai and other names. I'm really not sure. Never owned one this, but always wanted to have. Who knows, maybe one day I will buy it like this. It's actually super cool. Small wee Jeep. For me, if I would like to buy, I will just buy with the off-road tires, like a big tires, maybe bigger wheels. Will be super cool. So basically that's how it looks. Very nice car. This model have air condition and the power steering, which is super cool. Highly recommended if you would like to explore Bali, because it's very cheap. It's actually the cheapest car you can rent, you can buy. I paid only 150k a day. Finally I found this because it's actually quite rare nowadays. It's already going to be classic car, but also at the same time this car is not recommended for someone who is just fresh driver, have no experience to driving the older cars, especially if you are just used to drive with the very nice, especially expensive fancy cars. This may be very difficult for you to handle it. However, if you have experience to driving the older cars, that will be super cool fun for you. So highly recommend. Now I just arrived to the Padang Padang Beach. I will go have a look. I will fly a drone and see you there. So this is the entrance to the Padang Padang Beach, and I will quickly show you the name, Padang Padang Beach. This is very interesting fact, as this beach was used to recording Eat, Pray, Love with Julia Roberts and other great actors. Here is the fancy restaurant called Indian Lady. But it's closed. All right, I will buy a ticket and I will go. I got my ticket. It's cost 15k. I've been in this beach, on this beach only once, I think, and that was the many months ago. So many of you never saw this beach. It's a very beautiful beach, by the way. Especially I never fly a drone over this beach even in my life before even I start vlogging. So it's today super cool day. Meanwhile, I will show you the road. It's a lot of stairs like always. This is so sad actually. Beautiful temple over here, and here is the stairs in the cave, like beach this way, as you can see. And meanwhile I'm gonna walk here because it's very like a narrow road. Sorry for the shakiness, it's very dark. I will answer for one frequent asking questions about the car, about the driving license in Bali. People asking if do you need the international driving license, and the answer is yes, you need the international driving license. Or if you have Indonesian driving license, like you have a special visa, you can acquire one. However, if you are a tourist, definitely you need international driving license to drive peacefully in Bali. And it doesn't matter you want to drive a bike or you want to drive a car, you just need to have international driving license, and no exceptions. Also, if you want to drive a bike and you are coming, let's say, from Europe, and the driving license, like if you have a bike under the 125cc in Poland, in Europe, you can drive using the car license. Here you have to have a special license for the motorbike, which is no exceptions. It's otherwise it's not just simply not gonna work. However, that's the one of the frequent asking questions. Now I will show you the beach. It's beautiful, but it's so quiet. Well, what I can say, I think was a lot of rubbish here usually in the past few weeks, but it's clean now. The people clean it. This beach is very famous for any kind of surfers, amateur and pros. Where is this rocks? Over there was the stands recording for the Eat, Pray, Love in 2010. I think they also built, or was at that time, like a bridge, I mean like a molo, as you can take a boat from here. However, it's not now, right now. I will show you a little bit where is the people over there, how it looks, the beach. Usually it's a lot of people selling bintangs here and stuff like that. Actually, I was thinking to do like this, having bintang, you know, talk a little bit, but I think it's not gonna happen today. So I will show you just how it looks over there, because there are some people over there. It's the dog with the pampers, by the way. Oh my god, that's actually a bit weird, having the small dog with the pampers. But maybe, I don't know, if somebody have a dogs and have more experience, comment below what do you think having dog with the pampers, especially walking on the beach. I don't know if it's like must have, or this is just easy because you don't need to taking a poo from the beach later. I don't know, comment below, because sometimes I'm lost with the stuff like this. Over here, that's how it looks, the beach, photo session, beautiful rocks. Here was the stands recording to the movie. Yeah, I will start my drone and I will show you a few shots from this beautiful area right now. Alright, I hope so you enjoyed my drone footage today. The beach looks a little bit sad because it's not many people, no place to drink bintang and stuff like this, so I will grab the drink somewhere in different place. However, I hope so my drone shots make this beach looks beautiful, because it's really normally in normal conditions is very beautiful. However, yeah, it's obviously not normal conditions nowadays. Yo, what's up, doggo? At least dogs still here, some, and monkeys. I will go up. This is the exit. This is normally it's live here, you know, like, yeah, what I gonna explain you. I hope so you understand. Okay, I'm gonna go up, I think, with the doggo. See you up, because it's so tiring to go and talk while I'm going up. Alright, I make it to the top. Now almost one more hill just to get to my Katana Jimny boombox. If I will have a car, I will call this boombox probably. So Sadie says everything is here. It's just literally closed. That really makes me sad. But anyway, even if it's like this, I have to stay optimistic. Be grateful as I'm still in Bali, and this is so hot and sunny, and monkeys around, and I can be on the beach today, even I'm so tired. One more thing, because today I'm super excited about having my old rented car for 10 bucks a day. That is super cool. Comment below. This is the car, if you somehow doesn't watch it. Comment below if you ever drive this car. Have you ever had on the Suzuki Jimny like this, the second generation? Have you ever drive? Have you ever ran in Bali or in your own country? If you would like to have one, just comment below. What do you think about the car like this? Because maybe not many of you know, because I never talk too much about that, but I'm really big fan of the cars. So whenever I used to be living potentially in Dubai or in America somewhere, or even in Australia, for sure I would like to have some cool, fancy, dope car. I wish to making the YouTube channel, like additional channel, as the car review, but in Indonesia not many cars, so I'm so sorry, but I cannot breathe using the mask when I'm so tired. So yeah, comment below what do you think one more time about the such a lovely car, and see you tomorrow, like always, something new. See ya, take care.